Right click in front block diagram, come to the structure, there is the while loop. Okay, this while loop is just like this while loop is just like a for loop, but there is a strong and big difference. Case structure, we can control case structure by this n. Okay, there is only single difference, and that is the this one. This for loop we can control this for loop we can control this for loop by using the we can control the uh, execution, we can control the simulation speed of for loop by using the wait function. Okay, and there is this one, this is the, and this one is loop condition. This loop condition, okay, this one is loop condition, and this loop condition has two property. Look at here, when I will right click, the stop if true, continue if true. Okay, stop if true and continue if true. So let's see what is the stop if true and continue if true. Right click, create indicator. Okay, 125 millisecond delay I am using, and right click, create control T. Whenever you will use for loop and while loop, whenever you will use for loop and while loop, at that time, okay, at that time don't press this run continue button, press run button. By pressing run button you can simulate once, and that one simulates, it will be run. Okay, it will be run n numbers of time. Okay, let's see, run. So now it's working. Look at here, just run, don't simulate. Okay, this is working. Now press the stop button. When you will press stop, it will generate true. After that it's stop. What will happen when you will press the run? Okay, you cannot stop, you cannot stop, you cannot stop. Okay, so only press the run button. This is the, so you can stop. Second thing, if you will change it, if you will change it into continue if true, now run, it's not working. Okay, why it's not working? Just because it's not working, just because this is false. If I will press the true, okay, right click, okay, change, okay, initialize, okay, okay, when I will run continue, when I will press true, then it will start work. Okay, so it is just based on the basic concepts. Now third things about the is while loop. The while loop automatically generated the last value. It cannot design array, it cannot design array. Okay, it cannot design array like uh, for loop. Okay, by default for loop by default generate array, but it cannot generate for loop, sorry, array like a for loop. Okay, so it's automatically generate by default last value. Why? Because array can accommodate only 2 to the power 31 minus 1 value in a one dimension, in a dimension. Okay, array can accommodate only 2 to the power 31 minus 1 value. okay, in one dimension, not more than that. Clear? But we don't know for while loop will run how many times, okay. And if we know our loop will run 10 times and we need 10 data, so that's for that we will use for loop, okay. For that we will use for loop. But if we don't have any idea how many time loop will work, okay, but if we don't have any idea how many time loop will work, okay, so we cannot generate for loop, because after 2 to 3 minutes the loop iteration will go more than 2 to the power 31 minus 1, and the memory will not permitting, the loop memory will not sorry, the array memory will not permitting, because we can generate only 2 to the power 31 minus 1 size of array, okay. Now the shift register is same in the both for loop and while loop, okay. The shift register is same the for the for loop and while loop, okay. So let's see about something about the while loop. Right click here, come to the while loop, right click, and someone is asking how I get the clock. If you want to get the clock, so for that right click in block diagram, come to the timing, take this wait function, place inside, right click, create, and give 125 millisecond. Okay, now right click here, come to the numeric, take random number generator, place inside, right click, come here, take waveform chart and place. Do one, okay. Now you need to know only one thing. Okay, and that thing is okay. Now run. Sorry. Now sorry, before the run, this waveform chart has memory, that the memory limit is 2048. Okay, let's check, or 1024. What is the memory size? Okay, let's check what is the memory size. To check memory size, overlay plot properties, okay, chart length, okay. So this is 1024, the memory size is 1024 memory size, okay. So what will happen if memory size is work? Let's see, okay. What is playing, okay. Now run. Now look, the graph is start plotting left to right, okay. It will plot, okay, it will plot 0 to 100. After that it will start moving right to left, okay, right to left, okay. Because during 1 to 100 it's plot 100 data, but the memory which is given here the memory size is 1024. Okay, done. Please design.